Welcome, today in front of me XIAOMI Redmi 10C, and I'll show you how to log out from Gmail account on this device. So first you should go into the Google folder and then launch the Gmail application. After that, click here on the right upper corner, and now we can see that we're logged in into two accounts at the same time. Now just to log out from one from these accounts, we should in Gmail application we should log out from the Google account on our device. So how we can do that, we should go here into the manage accounts on this device section, and after that click here to the Google. You can see here there's two accounts. Now just to log out from the second one, for example, click here and tap to more icon, then just tap to remove account and confirm your action by click to remove account again. Now you can see that we'll stay when Google account settings only with one account, and when we'll go back into the application we can check and see that in Google in Gmail app we also stay only with one Gmail account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.